I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the terminal ready and understanding the keyboard so you don't stall. Power the unit and confirm battery or AC. If the reader seems blocked, clear it gently because cards must seat fully. Once done, study the layout. Numbers for data entry, enter to confirm, cancel to back out, F keys for shortcuts. You'll use short presses for characters and long presses for special functions. So practice one test entry to see how the terminal beeps and accepts input. Now you proceed to actual input and menu navigation, which is the middle of the task. Type amounts with the numeric pad and use the enter key to proceed. If the terminal requires cents, include decimals exactly. Use function keys F1 through F4 to jump between sections, and hold Shift or long press keys to access secondary symbols when entering codes or letters. Make sure to read prompts carefully and extend timeouts if available. Otherwise, the terminal will cancel, and you'll finish by confirming entries and completing the transaction so records are accurate. After verifying the amount, press Enter to submit and wait for the on-screen prompt before removing the smart card. Premature removal causes errors. Print or send the receipt, then log out or lock the device to prevent unauthorized use. If something goes wrong, try a soft reboot first, then inspect the card slot for dirt and reinsert the card straight. This quick troubleshooting step resolves most reader or communication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.